It's going to be a pleasure. Solid Gold is one of the events I always look forward to, and I've even come to it when I've just been a participant because the presentations are longer, and so you have a chance to go more in depth. But also, the faculty are going to be senior practitioners who are known to have successful practices. One of the things that I think really holds us back as a profession is that a lot of these conferences, the people doing presentations and offering training are beginners themselves. They haven't really founded a practice that has endured and so on. And that is not something you're ever going to find at a Solid Gold. It's a chance to learn from people who are clearly successful. In my case, I've been doing this for 35 years full time. And the changes I've seen in how to do hypnosis and how to market your practice over that time has just been astonishing. I mean, I began usually have a little boom box on my desk for the background music and a little pocket recorder to record the induction for the client. When I got started, I purchased from Don Mutton's company a package on how to operate your hypnosis office, and it was good for the time. The thing is now, we don't hire receptionists to answer our telephones. We don't have to worry about writing a Yellow Pages ad. There's been just tremendous change. And the public has transformed into an audience. They expect to be entertained and engaged. It's all about building rapport and community. And then when they're ready to buy, they buy from you. And so these days, you've got to be doing video presentations and so on if you're going to have a serious reach into the public. So my presentation will have three major sections. The first, how most gracefully and elegantly to integrate recorded material into your hypnotic work with an individual client or in a group. And I will take this right to the very beginning, how to make the recordings yourself, how to edit them, how to remove background noise, how to edit them and package them so you have an attractive product. When I began doing this, I used to have stacks of rack-mounted studio-grade audio gear. Now, everything comes over the computer. It's not expensive, it's not difficult, and it's getting steadily easier. So I'm going to show how to make the recordings and then how to integrate them seamlessly in your work with an individual client or a group, whether you're in person or online. The second section, I'm going to do the same thing, but with video. I do 2 video blogs, about 10 minutes each, every single week. And these are then uploaded to various places on the internet where they spread virally. And I know people are often concerned about being able to do videos attractively, but the reality is, and research supports this, content trumps presentation. It's nice if your videos look good and all that. That's certainly a plus. But people are there for the information you're conveying. It doesn't matter if you're shooting it on an iPhone standing in a field with your pet horse. What matters is that the material you're sharing is good. So you can do almost anything you need to do without having to make a heavy investment in studios and that sort of stuff, and not fall for the people who are trying to sell you studio packages for large amounts of money and stuff. You don't need it. You can handle this on your own. So I'm going to do video. Then the third part's going to be, and I will also do an actual demonstration using video editing software of how to take a graphic, your live video feed, put a digital background in, and construct this into a file that you could upload to Facebook or Instagram and so on. And the third thing is going to be how to leverage this in terms of your marketing, how to spread it on the internet, what to do, what not to do, tips, tricks, and traps, because it's very easy to get caught up in something that you then can't get out of and cost you a lot of money. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm also look forward to sitting in the back of the room and learning from my colleagues, because I always do every time I come to Solid Gold.